I think it's ridiculous not to talk about it in terms of genocide, because of course it was.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's not us. That's them. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You got to work? He's the. I don't know. Here, all right. Now let's try it. Just. I don't know how to work this. I don't trust him with his phone.
It's the last time, I think.
This time it'll work.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. iPad.
Thank you very much.
All right. Hello, how are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm good. You holding up? Are you all right?
What about Ýerewanda?
Well, I just got here, so I got here last night and I had some nice food. So I'm excited to go to the
How
forum.
many days you will be here?
I'm here for tomorrow for the big event, so I'm excited about that.
And
Are you going to return?
Of course. Come on.
Choose not.
That's why we were worried that the swarming otherwise.
That's a hell of a camera setup there.
Okay, so.
Mi varken Jorj parçalanmak böyle ver.